Hello friends, the data at this location JSON file, you can see it is displayed here and it contains these keys: content, data and date. So I want to sort this according to this value of this key data, which means I want to sort it alphabetically according to this value. So I will show you how to do this in Sketchware using Firebase query. So first we will see how this data looks like. So at present it looks like this. The first item is share and open, then JSON value, then surgery notes, ICP, NHIMS, bedside care, drugs 3 and all these things. So I will show you how to sort this in Sketchware. So this is the activity, JSON file data activity, and here I have added a Firebase DB component called file data, and it contains this file path JSON file. This is same as this JSON file here. So now we go back to Sketchware. So at present what is there is it gets the data in on child added event. It gets all the child keys and child values and adds it to a list string and a list map called map list, and displays this map list in list view 1. And list view 1 has an on-bind custom view in which text view 1 displays the key data and text view 2 displays the key date. Okay, and then there are these button and button 2 events. So what we'll do first is we will remove the listener from the Firebase DB component so that on child added is not executed. Okay, and then we will add our query in this add source directly block. So our query will be, first we'll write file data, which is this Firebase DB component. Then to this we'll write order by child, and the child is data. Okay, and then we will add the listener to it. So we will write dot add child event listener, and inside this bracket we have to write the listener. So first we'll see the code, the source code, and see what the listener is. So here you can see this is the on create event, then there is initialize. Okay, and in this initialize there is this underscore firebase underscore child underscore listener. This is the child event listener, and it contains on child added event, on child changed event, on child moved event, and then on child removed event. Okay, so and here you can see we have added the key list to we have added the child key to key list and child value to map list. So we will use this listener, file data child listener, and let me show you the on create event. This is the on create event here. Here the first block which we used was file data dot remove event listener file data child listener, and now we have written our code file data dot order by child data dot add child event listener, and here in bracket we will add this listener. So in this bracket we will paste this underscore file data underscore child underscore listener. Okay, and after this the next event which will be automatically executed is on child added event. So rest all has to be same. We will run this app. So here you can see the app, and you can see now it is ordered alphabetically. There are many items which are more than one time, because they are more than one time in the database itself, and all these start with capital letters, that's why they are alphabetical. And you can see this line which is starting with small letter is in the end. So first it gets all the capital letters alphabetically, then the small letters alphabetically. Okay, so let me remove these extra things. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.